What's happening, kid folk? Welcome back to channel Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you, man. Today it's Saturday, July 9th. I'm actually headed to work. We are also, after work, gonna head out to Rev It Up over in Conroe, Texas, which is a motorcycle clothing apparel store. So we're gonna head over there, man, because they're actually donating some stuff for the benefit for Bubba. So the benefit, again, July 30th, 3 to 7 at Southern Star Brewery. So if y'all wanna come check it out, man, come check it out. But I'm also gonna show y'all what Rev It Up has taken the time to donate for the raffle for the benefit. Next time I'll pick you up, it'll be headed to Rev It Up over in Conroe, Texas. Let's go. All right, Kim folk, what's happening? We are actually on our way. We got off of work. We're on our way to Rev It Up, man, over here in Conroe, Texas. So, like I said, I was gonna pick y'all back up when we were on our way there. So we're headed there. It's gonna take 13 minutes. So once we get there, I'll show you what their store looks like. Let's get it. Well, we made it. Let's go check them out. All right, kinfolk, man, we just came out of Rev It Up, and let me tell you something, man. Mr. Wood and Miss Wood, I didn't get to meet Miss Wood. She was out of town, but Mr. Wood, amazing people. Oh my God, he's hilarious, man. Such great people. If you ever get a chance, come on out to Rev It Up, man. Like I said, they're donated a bunch of stuff for the benefit, so we greatly appreciate that. If you get a chance, come out to Conroe, and that way you can check them out, man. If you need any kind of stuff, they can order parts, they can do all kinds of stuff. They got a bunch of leather stuff in there. They're gonna be doing patches and all kinds of good stuff. So they are at 2017 North Fraser Street, G3, Conroe, Texas 77301. Their phone number, if you want to get in touch with them, is 936-282-8812. There's all the info there, man. So make sure you get with them. Miss Sandy Wood, like I said, I didn't get to meet her, but her husband, Mr. Wood, amazing, man. So funny, good people. So they're gonna be doing all kinds of stuff too. Follow them on Facebook. They're gonna be doing stuff on Facebook as well, and then like even setting up little rides and stuff. So stay in contact with them, man. Come check them out. Miss Wood, I greatly appreciate the support, and thank y'all very much. And we will see y'all on July 30th at the benefit. All right, kinfolk, much love, much respect. Knuckles out.